Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele. I'm going to be showing you guys how to play this with the capo and without it. The song is going to be used at 4 chords, so let's get started. Alright, so without the capo, first chord is going to be an F sharp. Second chord is a G sharp. Third chord, D flat minor. Last chord is that F minor. Okay, so now with the capo on the first fret, chord is going to be F, G, A minor, and E minor. Alright, so the strum pattern for this kind of matches the beat. So you're just going to do down strums, which will sound like this. And then that strum pattern, what you guys can do is go down, up, up. That's pretty much it. So you got the chords with the capo, without it, strum pattern. If you guys want to check out my guitar version, I'll have it somewhere up here. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.